Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today, today we have solved one another SQL project. In this project, this is my dataset. Dataset name is country, and PDF provide in. I have provided this PDF in a description box. You have download from there. Let's discuss our project. In this uh, country table, there are some column like rank, ID, country, continent, population, IMF GDP, UN GDP means United Nations GDP, and GDP per capita. These are column. Okay, there are total 8 column, and how many row you can see here. uh, there are total mm, uh, 1703 row, total row. Then we have do this project on SQL. Let's open SQL server. In this project I have used Microsoft SQL server. Then let's start our project. This is SQL server, and how to, and our first objective is how to upload data set, means this Excel file in a SQL server. Then first of all you have click here database, and and you have select any database if you want. And first, how to create database. Then you have write create database database and database name, and the database is created. Okay, but in my case I have already created a database name is GDP, and I have uploaded this file here. Let's our next step is I have select task, and then I have select import flat file. After this step I have select here next, and then I have select here file, and then I have choose table name, table or file name country, and after I have select here next, uh, and here you have received this message because of Excel file is open. Then I have closed this Excel file, this Excel file, and then I have click OK, and then I have click next. Okay, and you can see here you have received provided table name already exist. Okay, then how I can do that, means you can see here this file is already uploaded in my database. Next, I want to I want to operate this. Then after you have click here, and see how many column and table I have received. Okay, first of all you have select here database name, and the database name is GDP, and after that you have selected this select a star from countries, and you have run here. Before you have do any operation in this database, first of all you have create a duplicate table like same like that. And how to create a duplicate table, you have click you have write a syntax select a star into country from countries, and after you have received a duplicate table, and you can see here this is my original table, and this is my duplicate table. And then I have run this in combine, and you can see here both data are same. You can see here in rank 1 ID number 840, in rank 1 ID number 840, and you can see here our all data set are same. Okay, and in this table you can see last row 212. In both table, last row is 212. So you can see here both table are same. Okay, then our the next is find all. Here I want to take our analysis towards here. Then our first aim, find all countries whose population is less than 8 to 5. Because I have take this number because in world minimum populated country is Victoria, and population is 8 to 5. So I have take this number, and then after I have executed this query, and run this. You can see here I have received total 48 row, means 48 countries are less than the population of 800. Then our the next part is, this is our this is unmatched record, or you can say that unnecessary record. Okay, then first of all you have delete all this record for better analysis. Okay, and then I want to show all those countries whose IMF GDP is 0 or GDP is 0. Then this is also our requirement to show how many countries whose IMF GDP is 0, because no country his IMF GDP equal to 0, because without money no country survive in this today world. So you can see here I have received total 25 country whose IMF GDP equal to 0. Then first of all I want to delete all those record whose population is less than 800, and whose IMF GDP equal to 0. Then how I can do that? First of all I have delete all those country. Then I have click here delete country where population is less than 800, and you can see here total 48 row are affected. Okay, and then I have executed this query again, and you can see in this time you have only received 164 record, because all 64 record are deleted. Our next I want to delete all those whose IMF GDP equal to 0. Then how I can do that? Select, sorry, in the place delete country where IMF GDP is less than 100, is equal to 0. Okay, then this is our basic, and then I want to do operation, and then I have executed this, and you can see here what I have received. I have received total 11 row are affected. Now our data is cleaned and good. Then how I can see this data? You can simply click here and select and execute. You can see now I have total row present here is 153. Then after I have do all operation on this data. Then my first question is region wide top country. Then how I can do that? Okay, you can simply click here. You can region by top country. I want to all this data. Okay, then how I can do that? I have right select a star dense rank over partition by continent, order by rank as continent from country, and you can see here what I have received after this operation. You can see here I have received continent by top country, continent by country. In the in the in the Africa continent, first continent is Nigeria, and after Africa I want to look other continent like Asia. In the Asia, first continent is China, second is Japan, and third is India. Okay, and after Asia, I want to look another continent like Europe. In Europe, first country is Germany, second is United Kingdom, and another continent I have look another continent North America. In North America, first country is United States and second is Canada. Means second rank is Canada, and after North America I have look Oceania country. In this region, Australia is top and New Zealand is second, and after the Oceania continent, I have looked South America. Brazil is top, is a top position. Argentina is a second position. After this, I want to region by top three country. Then how I can do that? You can simply write select continent, country, population, count. Okay, continent. Okay, then how I can do that? You can simply click select continent, country, population, dense rank over partition by continent, order by rank as count from country, and I have create a subquery, and after this I have create write select continent, country, population, count. I have create a blueprint column here. Okay, and after that I have run this query select, and I have run all queries. First I want to select this, and then I have execute here. You can see here continent by top three. In the Africa continent, top three country like Nigeria, Egypt, and South Africa. In the Asia continent, top three country like China, Japan, and India. In the Europe continent, top three country like Germany, United Kingdom, and France. In North America continent, top three country like United States, Canada, and Mexico. In the Oceania region, top three country like Australia, New Zealand, and Papua New Guinea. And in South America continent, top three country like Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia. Okay, okay. After this query, I want to count number of country by continent. Then how I can do that? How I can do this operation? You can simply write here select continent, country, continent, population, dense rank over here, and I have write in the place of country I have write here country, and after you can see how I can do select country, continent, population, dense rank over partition by continent, order by rank as count from country. Okay, country is our table name. After that I want to only continent and count number of country. Then how I can do that? Select continent, count country, number of country, and I have select all query, and then run it. Okay, and you can see here what I have received. In the Africa continent there are a total 49 country. In Asia continent there are total 35 country. In Europe continent there are total 40 country. In North America continent there are total 14 country, and in Oceania continent there are total 4 countries, and in South America continent there are total 11 country. Okay, what I want to hear: group by continent, order by number of country. ASC means as uh, ascending order, and then I have run this, and you can see here uh, less number of countries are top and most number of countries is in last. Then Oceania is top, and Africa is last. Our next query, I want to top 5 most polluted countries. Then how I can do that? First of all, first of all I want to I want to check I want to check data type. Then how I can do that? Select a start from information schema column, and I have executed this. Okay, sorry. First of all I have select here this query, select a start from information schema dot column. I have write because I want to I want to I want to information of column data type. Then after I have execute here, and you can see column name rank is int, id is no id is a small int. What I want to populated means population column is float type. Then first of all I want to change data type. Then I want to change this alter table country, alter column name population as int, and then I have select here and execute here. After that you can see here I have again execute this query, and you can see in the population table next time is a float, but in this time you can see here float in the place of float. You can see uh, you can see here you have received int. Okay, you can see here uh, serial number 13. Okay, after that I want to operate here, and how I can do that? You can simply write a query, select a star dense rank over order by population as rank count from country, and then after I have write select country population from this table. This is blueprint table, and after I have execute this, and you can see what I have received in our output, and you can see top 5 populated country in all over world. First is India, second is China, third is USA, fourth is Indonesia, and fifth is Nigeria. Okay, and fifth country is Nigeria. But here in the place of 5 I want to top 10 country, top 10 populated country. Then what I can do, in the place of top 5 I have simply write top 10, and you can see in the top 10 country, top is India and top 10 is Ethiopia, and in the place of 5 is Nigeria, 6 is Brazil, 7th is Bangladesh, 8 is Russia, 9 is Mexico, and 10th is Ethiopia. Then our next country, next query is I want to top 10 countries by UN GDP. Okay, then how I can do that? You can simply write here select country max UN GDP from country. Okay, in the place of country I want to I want to use here duplicate table name, and I want to do operation here. Select, sorry, and I first of all I want to select this statement and execute this, and you can see here this is top even GDP by even GDP, and after that I have write select star from select select star rank. I have used here rank window function over order by even GDP. Even GDP is a column name. Okay, as a DESC even GDP rank from this table. A is blueprint table. In this, after that I have write select a star from table name is B, and after I have used condition here where even GDP rank is greater than equal to 10, and after I have execute here, and you can see first country is United States, second is China, third is Japan, fourth is Germany, fifth is United Kingdom, sixth is France, seven is India, 8 is Italy, 9 is Brazil, and 10th is Canada. You can see here in the 7th place here we can see uh, we can see we can see India name, but you know that in this time India is a top 5 country. Then okay, but this is even GDP data. Next I have operate same operation in IMF GDP data. Then what I have received, you can simply see here. In the place of country, I have select country max IMF GDP information, IMF GDP from country, and after I have executed this, and you can see what I have received. First of all, I want to select this and select it from country and execute this, and you can see this is I have received. After this I have write one more subquery here, and I have write select a star rank function over order by IMF GDP as DESC as IMF GDP rank from this table, and then I have execute this, and you can see top 10 GDP per country. You can see here India is in this according to this data. India position is in a fifth position. Okay, what according to even GDP data, India position is seventh position. Okay, and then our next query is I want to top 10 GDP per capita state. Then first of all I want to convert data type of column as a GDP per capita. Okay, then first of all I want to see data type of GDP per capita. Then how I can see here, then I have write a query select a star from information schema dot column. Okay, dot sorry a schema okay, dot columns, and I have execute here, and you can see what I have received. GDP per capita column. Okay, GDP per capita is float type. Okay, what I want to change in int type. Then how I can do that? I can do only simple way. I in alter table name is country, alter column GDP per capita is int. Okay, if you can also write here in the place of I want here I want here float data type to convert into a int data type. Then after I have selected this query, alter table country, alter column GDP per capita as int, and then I have I have executed this query, and you can see here command completed successfully. After that, I want again I have select a star from information schema dot column, and then I have checked my table my column types are changed or not. You can see here GDP per capita. GDP GDP per capita in the previous is int, but in this time you can see here is int type, but in the previous this is a float type. Okay, then I can do here operation, some operation like I want what I want top 10 GDP per capita state. Okay, then how I can do that, how I can do this operation. First of all, I have right here uh, this is our table name. The table name is country, and first of all I think what I have required in this query. I want to record select continent country max is a function GDP per capita from country is a table name. After this table I want to group by continent and country. After this table I want to create one more table, and in this table I have need like dense rank function in and I have write select a star means all the data from table A, and a star dense rank over partition by continent order by GDP per capita. DESC means higher to lower. Okay, as a top rank from table A. After I have executed this, and I have created this query as a table B, and after I have executed this, select a star from table B where where rank equal to greater than equal to top 5, and you can see here what I have received. I have received in the Africa region top 5 GDP per capita is first is Mauritius, second is Ghana, third is you can see here South Africa and all, and in the Asia region, first country is Qatar, second is Singapore, third is Israel, fourth is United Arab Emirates, and fifth is United Hong Kong. Sorry, and in the Europe region, you can see here first country according to GDP per capita is Ireland, second is Switzerland, third is Norway, fifth is Denmark, and sixth is Sweden. And in North America, first country is United States, second is Canada, third is Rico, fourth is Panama, and fifth is TT. Okay, and in Oceania region, first is Australia, second is New Zealand, third is Fiji, and fourth is Papua New Guinea. Because in the Oceania region there are total 4 countries. So you can see here only 4 column, 4 rows. Sorry, 4 row only. And in South Africa region, first country is Ghana, second is Uruguay, third is Chile, fourth is Argentina, and fifth is Brazil. After this query, I want to write a query need top 10 GDP IMF GDP are in which rank in GDP per capita. Means I want to all those country whose GDP is top 10, what where is located in a GDP per capita. Okay, Then how I can do that? You can first of all you can I have write select star dense rank over order by IMF GDP as DESA as IMF rank from country. Okay, from country. Okay, and then I have run this query, and you can see what I have received. You can see here I have received this United US is top, United China is second, and blah 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 blah. Okay, what I want to hear only where IMF rank is great less than equal to top, means I want to only top 10 country. Okay, simply. Then after how I can do that? This is our what? This is our table. Okay, after this table I want to click and run here only top 10 country, because I want only top 10 country, not more than that. Okay, then how I can do? I have used here where condition to slice all those country, and you can see here I have only received top 10 countries. Okay, 1 to top 10. After that, I have create one more query, and here I have used select a star dense rank. Dense rank is a window function, and I have used here function dense rank over order by GDP per capita GDP per capita rank as GDP per capita rank from country. Okay, and here you can see what I have received. You can see here I have received this data. This data first is Ireland, blah 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 blah. Okay, what I want first top 10 GDP most IMF GDP countries where are located at GDP per capita. Okay, then I have create one more city means common expression table here, and I have created table name is capita. Okay, then I have join both table, and after I have need some column like ID, country name, IMF per population means country population, and IMF rank and GDP per capita rank. Then this is our two table IMF and capita. Okay, then how I can do? I have select here select IMF ID, IMF country, IMF population, IMF capita GDP per capita rank from IMF and capita table. Then I have select where IMF ID equal to capita ID and order by IMF rank, and I have select all this query and run this, and you can see here what I have received. You can see this in the place of United Nations. United Nations is top first GDP per, but top first as a GDP, but in GDP per capita is top 5 country. Okay, but in China top second in IMF GDP rank, what GDP per capita is 51, and I want to see here India only, because as an Indian, IMF GDP is India belong to 5th position, but GDP per capita India belong to 105th position. Because why you have received this type of data, you can think about that, and why India GDP per capita rank is 105. Why? You can think about that, and thank for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please support this channel and subscribe my video. Subscribe this channel, and please share this video with your friend. Thank you everyone.